Dyeing your hair at home can be a fun and cost-effective way to change up your look. However, it can also be intimidating, especially if you've never done it before. In this article, we'll discuss the steps you can take to successfully dye your hair at home. Choose your hair dye. The first step is to choose the hair dye that you want to use. There are a wide range of hair dyes available, from semi-permanent to permanent, and from natural to bold and bright colors. You can find hair dye at most drugstores or beauty supply stores. Be sure to choose a hair dye that is appropriate for your hair type and color, and read the instructions carefully. Prepare your hair. Before you start dyeing your hair, it's important to prepare it properly. Wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo to remove any buildup or residue. Do not apply any conditioner or styling products to your hair, as this can affect the dye's ability to penetrate your hair shaft. Protect your skin and clothing. Dyeing your hair can be messy, so it's important to protect your skin and clothing. Wear old clothes that you don't mind getting stained, and use petroleum jelly or a barrier cream around your hairline and ears to prevent the dye from staining your skin. Mix and apply the dye. Follow the instructions on the hair dye box to mix the dye properly. Once the dye is mixed, use the applicator brush to apply it evenly to your hair. Start at the roots and work your way down to the tips. Be sure to saturate your hair with the dye, but avoid applying too much to prevent drips. Wait and rinse. After you've applied the dye, follow the instructions on the box to determine how long you should leave it in. Once the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Do not use hot water, as this can damage your hair and cause the dye to fade faster. Condition and style. After you've rinsed your hair, use the conditioner that comes with the dye kit or a deep conditioner to nourish and hydrate your hair. Allow the conditioner to sit for a few minutes, then rinse it out with cool water. Style your hair as usual, and enjoy your new look. In conclusion, dyeing your hair at home can be a fun and exciting way to change up your look. By following these simple steps, you can successfully dye your hair at home and achieve the results you desire. Remember to choose a hair dye that is appropriate for your hair type and color, and always read the instructions carefully before you start.